Hello, my name is Mike. I'm the owner of BestRugPrices.com, and today I'm very excited to start a new video series that we're hosting on our website called Ask the Flooring Pro. Now, we get asked floor covering questions every single day about all kind of stuff. It could be product questions or cleaning and maintenance questions. It could be questions about, am I getting the right price? Just all kind of stuff. What products are the best for what bedrooms? You name it, we get asked the question. So what we thought we would do is make little short videos and taking these questions one by one and putting them on our website. So our goal is, if you have a floor covering project coming up, or if you're in the middle of one and you have a question, you can go to our website, go to Ask the Flooring Pro, and we're going to have a whole list of topics that we have made videos of, and you can get an answer to your question in a very short period of time. You're not going to have to read a long blog post or anything like that. You're just going to hear us answer the question. So we're very excited about starting this series, and the first question of our series is about vinyl plank, and the question that was presented to us is, what are the advantages of vinyl plank flooring? So to answer that question, I kind of want to back up a little bit and talk about how vinyl plank flooring came to be. If you remember, if you're as old as I am, many, many years ago, the product of the day, the real hot product in the floor covering world was laminate flooring. You could walk into any floor covering store and you could see pallets of it sitting there right there in their showroom. Certainly, if you go to any box store, they would have it all over the place. 99 cents a square foot, and it was just rushing out the doors. People were gobbling it up. And then what happened in the flooring world is, once people started getting this product installed, we started having a lot of claims. The product was literally blowing off the floor because it wasn't very well made, and it just had all kind of issues. So the marketplace kind of adjusted over the years, and lo and behold, because of all the problems we were having with laminate flooring, the initial laminate flooring products, vinyl plank came to be. Now, vinyl plank is a completely different product than the cheap laminate products that you might remember from many years ago. They wanted to get away from the claims, they wanted to get away from just all the problems. And so the vinyl plank flooring in today's marketplace is very well made. They have beautiful looks. A lot of the products come in multiple widths and all kind of different looking styles and lengths, and the technology is so much better than it was 10, 15 years ago when the laminate flooring came out and it was causing all kind of problems. But the advantages to laminate floor, or I'm sorry, for to vinyl plank flooring, the biggest one is that it's waterproof. So you can put vinyl plank flooring in every room of the house. Um, you could put it in certainly your living spaces, family room, living room, bedrooms, that type of thing. But you can also put it in a kitchen. So it's a really big deal, because if you have a home that has kind of an open concept flooring, you don't have to have a different floor go into your kitchen. You can take your vinyl plank flooring and go right on through into the kitchen. If water gets on the plank, it's no big deal. It's a great product also for bathrooms, and also it's wonderful for basements. It's because if you have water leaks in your basement, the vinyl plank flooring will hold up better than other products. So being waterproof is a really, really big advantage to vinyl plank flooring. The other advantage is that it's hard to scratch. Now, I'll never say that a flooring product is scratch proof, because no matter what product you want, if something falls on that floor the right way, or if you have a 120-pound dog with long nails zooming around your house, your floor is going to scratch. But vinyl plank flooring, with the way it's made today, is very, very scratch resistant, and it's going to hold up a lot better than some of the other products in the marketplace. place. The third advantage that you have with vinyl plank flooring is that it's a click together. So you're not having to spread a lot of glue on the floor. You don't have to put down underlayment a lot of times. It's very affordable. So, if you go into any store, you'll know that vinyl plank flooring is a very hot product just by simply looking at your floor covering store's retail space. That retail space in a floor covering store, like any other retail store, is very valuable. So if you look around and see what a store has in their showroom and how much space they dedicate to what products, you can kind of get a good idea, a good sense of what's popular. So I can almost guarantee you, if you go into any flooring store, you'll see that vinyl plank flooring takes up a lot of retail space. It's going to take up probably as much space as carpet, if not more. So it's the number one growing product in the marketplace. It's a great product for any priced home that you have. They have price points on products that are very, very affordable to very, very expensive and everywhere in between. So I hope that answers your question. Like I said, this is a brand new video series we're doing. I'm trying to keep these videos short and to the point. So if you have a question, you can come to our site and go to our page where we're having this video series and get your answer in a very short period of time. I would encourage you to check us out at bestrugprices.com, and we have a section called Ask the Flooring Pro, and you can go right to the videos and get your answer. I'm going to put the link to this video series in the description box below. And it's certainly, if you have a question, I'm also going to put how you can ask a floor covering question, and we'll be happy to answer it and make a video. Thank you very much.